Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Hello. CJ. I took Celsius and CJ. Yes, I did. Did it because of this 1 hour zone here. We had a small breakout. Oh, looks like it's going the other way. I'm gonna cut my loss short if it goes above the previous candle. How are you guys? No, EJ, I don't see anything on EJ. It's not the same. It's a big difference. CAD JPY has a lot more rejections. CAD JPY has way more rejections. Okay, so the reason is simple. Rejections, more rejections. Then you have a candle here closing below. What does that mean? That means you have a breakout. And there's a high chance of continuation after a breakout. But what can happen is a fake out also. So in this case, there's plenty of time, but we'll see. I'm thinking if it goes above this candle, maybe I'll close. Yeah, I'll take a 5-6 pip loss there. Because if it goes above this, then it can push a lot more. Can push a lot more. That's a triangle. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want. Maybe it's a flag pattern. Who knows? There are a lot of things with different names. Call it whenever, however you want. One matter, I took it because of this zone and thinking about more continuation. So if you look left, you have this candle, right? But this looked like it was a fake out. Why? Because look, where are the most rejections? Where are the most rejections? What does that mean? That means that we have free traffic all the way to the downside. And this was only fake out because it closed back in the range, did a retest, made some continuation. So I thought this could be a good range to fill once we close below. It's coming a little deeper. We'll see how it goes, if it's going to result in a fake out or not. But we're going to look at it. We'll see. There's plenty of more time to see if it's going to continue or not. Now we go on the 4 hour. If you go on the 4 hour, we have the same support level. Only that the 1 hour is not a breakout yet. The 4 hour is not a breakout yet, but the 1 hour is. What does that mean? That means we can still continue to the downside. If you look on the 4 hour, we have the same zone to fill if we decide to continue or not, if it doesn't result in a fake out. If you go on a daily, I see you guys saying that daily might be at support, but look at daily. Daily resistance is a little higher. See where candles are closed, where it got rejected, where candles are closed, where candles are closed. So if you want to draw your line here, what about this too? So that might be in a small range. So where these candles are closing and these candles are closing, it's a small range. But I took the risk. Because I thought, okay, we're still at resistance on the daily. 1 hour broke below. We may see some continuation. But it is not. It is pushing up. If it goes above 820, I'll close. Above 820, I close. Better to take a 5 pip loss than take a full loss, since we have reasons to believe. Yeah, daily is not very clear on CJ. It's not very clear, but why not look good actually? You know, had a lot of rejections here. We got a rejection first, but it wasn't enough. Had to go way lower. Okay, we're pushing higher than the previous wick. So 820. I'm gonna close or not yet. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna close here. Closing. Closing because it's not good anymore. 5 pip loss. You see history. Okay, now let's go to EA because some of you guys are still on EA. Look, I saw EA too, but decided to take CJ. And the reason is because I don't like daily on EA. And we can easily reject to the upside. It's too risky, I think, for me. There's plenty of rejections here. Plenty of rejections here. See, look at this daily and look at CJ daily. It's a whole difference. Big difference. So CJ has EA has a very big support here, and wouldn't be comfortable taking sells here. You can put your line whatever you want, but I wouldn't take a chance on EA. That's all. Wish you guys luck, but daily doesn't seem good to me. 1 hour, yes, it does look very nice. Hope it works, but just daily doesn't look good to me. That's why I skipped EA. Took CJ instead.
Merman Jesse.
Merman Jesse Beitu. I feel like CJ is gonna drop still, but I just don't like that push all the way through above the previous candle. That's what I don't like. Let's see. I have to wait. One thing I know here, if GJ comes all the way and close above this previous candle, I'll take buys. Even though it looks like a break and retest on the 1 hour, but not a clear break and retest. It's nothing yet. If CJ goes down, I'll be pissed. Even though the pullback was very small, like 5 pips, but anyway, it's still not comfortable when it goes all the way above the previous candle. Let's see. Maybe we'll get something else. If this goes all the way closes bearish, that would be crazy. Your NZD has a pretty strong support here too. Having troubles to break. EU, EJ, EA. You know what I would do on EA? If this candle closes back in the range, maybe I'll take buys here. EJ 1 hour looks like a sell. Well, it wouldn't make much sense to take a trade at this moment here, because it would just be selling resistance, because there's no good level here to take a trade. USD cat has been dropping for a long time. Let's see what we have. GU. What about GU? Maybe if it breaks above, we might have a chance to take buys. Maybe. That could be good. Oh, it's not a very good level. It's not a very good level. Wouldn't trust that. We had a lot more candles and still EJ took so much time. Look, GU might be very good. GU might be very good. We have a good range to fill here. If we close like this, it can be very nice. If you're in a decent profit in USD CAD, just take your profits. GJ, if it goes above the previous candle, GU, if it closes like this, can be perfect. EA, if it closes back in the range, but I hope it doesn't. It goes down for you guys. But
Thank you, bro.
you know, sometimes you guys not looking at daily. You're taking some risks that I wouldn't take. You need to be careful. Let's see. We have another 30 minutes. I don't know. Right now, the US dollar looks like a break and retest. I don't like it. I don't like it. If GJ would come all the way up and break above, that would be massive. AUDJPY, AUDJPY. What is AUDJPY doing? Did a nice break and retest there. How many pips it went? 10 pips, nice. Yeah, GU looks good. Would be nice on the 4 hours, the breakout fathom, but that would be another 1 hour and a half to wait. If we could get a chance on the 1 hour, would be nice. AJ on the daily. It's going to be epic. It was epic. Interesting. Interesting. Who would have thought? I would take buys here without thinking twice. When did this happen? I didn't see this break and retest on a daily. Yeah, it is. Way more move. I told you yesterday also. AUDJPY was a breakout on the weekly. A break and retest on the weekly. Mies can continue way more. It has way more room to continue. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time when it does. KJPY. Okay, I'm thinking what if it closes back above on KJPY? Would it be nice to take some buys? But I'd like a good close. I'd like a good close here. It's not a break if the weekly candle hasn't closed. Yeah, if the candle is not closed, it's not a break. But AUDJPY was a break last week on the weekly, and this week did the retest continue. Herman, what's wrong? Who made you upset? There's nothing right now. Only this. EA. GJ rejecting. GU rejecting. What if GU closes back in the range? No, ADGPY now is too risky because it already did a retest before on the previous hour. It did retest and now it's a second time coming. CJ pushing down, yeah, it is. It is what it is. Well, look, CJ goes bearish, game over. Yeah, I think ADJPY is done because we have missed the key levels to take the trade. Did you take any trades? Yeah, CAD-JPY. Took a loss on CAD-JPY. I closed it, I didn't want to hold. It was not comfortable. I don't want to stay in a trade that I'm not comfortable. Took this trade that you see on the left now. It's not over yet, it's not over yet. It's still time to see what happens. CJ, if it pushes down, CJ has this clear zone to the downside. It's gonna come around here. Look, it is pretty clear. I mean, we had a breakout, we had a retest, we had a bigger pullback in the zone, but we should reject. The only problem was that it was a small breakout, and also we have some good range to fill to the downside. Makes a lot of sense. nothing right now. Right now it is quiet. GJ is breaking below again. I mean, we had this close, but it wasn't very strong. We are breaking below. How do we enter trades? Just go watch the sim session we did the other week. It's everything there. Or watch other webinars. We don't put buy limits, we just enter. There's no need to put buy limit when you are in front of chart. You put stop loss at 8:30. Would you stay in trade or exit? Catch JPY? I don't know. If you survive, then still hold. Because if it stays below, there's still chance of continuation. You don't need to stop the trade now, since you're still already in. So either stop loss or pick profit. Still waiting. Vin, we talked about EA. Not taking it because of the daily. Because daily has a very strong zone here. I'm afraid we could easily get rejected. Because this is all a zone here. But I hope it drops. Drops another 10 pips. Or 20 or melt.
Yeah, bro, I just wanted to turn bearish. That would be great for me.
Yeah, if it turn bearish, it would be crazy though. Because we'll go all the way down. I don't know. We have another 15 minutes left. Hopefully you'll get something. You're gonna get 10 at least. It's 8 now. Another 2-3 pips. Where are the webinars? I can only see streams. Where aren't they the same thing? Streams are webinars. Don't understand what you don't understand here.
Yeah, we stream our webinars sometimes.
This is a webinar because we're doing it from the web. If we do it on some kind of place, it's a seminar, right?
Yeah, man.
But we're doing through the internet, so it's a webinar. How much is the minimum amount when you add funds in your C-Trader account? It's a $200 minimum. And yeah, it's there, by the way. Just go there, you'll find all information.
2 million, bro.
Soon I'm gonna make it 100k only.
It's worth it.
I mean, 1 million. How much we would be now with 4% in profit? 40k?
Yes.
It's not bad. Not bad at all.
It's peanuts. EA is dropping, bro.
Who? EA.
EA.
Yeah. Let's go EA. Let's go 15 pips. 15 pips. Is this gonna go bearish? Oh, almost, almost, almost. Let's go a little more. Nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
If you guys are in a good profit, more than 1%, why not secure some?
I secured one position. I have one on put stop loss to break even. It's at the wick
Good.
actually.
17. Nice rejection.
You guys must be like up 15, 16, 17 pips, right?
I'm
Me too.
I'm up 19 pips. My entry is at
Yeah,
633.25.
3 3. Yeah, good, good. Good.
Almost a week entry.
Try to see
my
here.
my entry is candle body entry.
Get
It
this,
was a
get
shit
this,
entry.
this, this, and this. Come on, give us a nice trade here.
Okay, I secured half here. Letting the rest run, let's see. Because, Sad, what do you think if this breaks the low of the previous candle on EA? Do you think we have more room to drop, or would you still be cautious about it?
Oh my god. The 4 hour came from another zone. You guys broke all the rules. My god, what do you guys do?
Bro, Ash had a contract with EA. We just accepted it.
What did you guys do? Price coming from another zone. I'm glad it worked. Because
Bro,
I would be
if we have
pissed with you guys.
followed those rules, EA would be a fake out. Whenever we follow our rules with EA, it turns into a fake out. So we have to do something
No,
else
no,
to
no,
make
it doesn't. It doesn't.
it.
Some magic.
Yeah.
It's risky though. Look, it's gonna be a habit. Yesterday you took it once. Today is a second. It's gonna become a habit, and one time you're gonna get punished. Trust me. I just hope for the best of you guys. Uh, it's too risky. It's too risky. And I've seen EA before. I'm glad it worked. I'm glad it worked.
Yeah, Irish less and
Don't make
currently
this
everyone
habit.
would be at BE.
Let's see. Let's see. Still have time, plenty of time, but patience needed. I don't know. I mean, I woke up early today and looked for trade. Usually, pre-London always had some kind of trades. Lately, not that much. Not that much.
This whole week we didn't have any pre-London trades, and those are pretty fast. They give quick profits.
What did we have this week? What trades we took? Let me see. CJ, so AUD JPY yesterday, Euro JPY before that. What else we had? Nothing else? Your cat. What about your cat? What about your cat? A break below for sales, or are you looking for buys? Is it for? Hmm. Hmm. It looks like a 4-hour retest actually. Yes, it does. It does look like a 4-hour retest. If you go on the left, it is also same zone. It's also same zone. Yeah, this could be a 4-hour retest. But look at this. I don't like that it's coming like this. Because it pushed first, then it's getting rejected all the way down. Uh, if uh, if this goes bullish here, I think we may have some more continuation. But not gonna take it.
Bro, AU was good, but it didn't came for retest in pre-London.
EU,
AU, Aussie
Aussie
dollar.
dollar, Aussie dollar.
The
Yeah,
breakout
this
was weak,
one.
but it was strong enough. Like in my opinion.
Yeah, I saw. I was there waiting for it, but it didn't make a retest as you said.
Yeah.
It went straight to the upside. KJPY is dropping. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you. Hell no, KJPY go up now. You know what? We might have a 4-hour breakout. Who knows? Who knows? We might have a 4-hour breakout.
Yeah, sad. How big was your stop on CJ? Because I remember one time it came all the way up to, and we stayed in
This time it was a bit different
because of the break.
because of the breakout. Yeah, it was a weak breakout, and when it came above the previous candle, it seemed too risky for me, and I just closed better. Wasn't
I
very
see.
comfortable anymore when I saw price going above the previous candle. It had to stay just below here. That
Yeah,
would be enough.
you know also what I recognized at myself is when a candle is going against me, I don't feel really good. Like if it's doing a deep retest, and then later on, if it worked out, I'm like, oh yeah, it's normal that it did a deep retest, you know?
Yeah,
I'm
look,
like,
deeper retests are normal, but how deep that retest is gonna be? There's a place needs to stop. Like this was the zone that it needed to stop. Maybe I should have held a little bit more, but I just didn't feel any more comfortable just because oh, I had more reasons to believe that maybe a fake out, weak breakout going above the previous candle made me a bit uncomfortable. But there are
I
times
see.
where I would still hold, even if it's a deeper retest. Like we've done that before on GJ. Even when it did a deeper retest, we still stuck with it because we had a good setup. In this case, if the breakout would be better, I mean, it would be nice. That's why when I say that I hate the setup that the breakout candle starts from support, because when it goes above, then it makes you uncomfortable. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It can go down. We'll catch it another time. We will catch it another time. I'm just waiting for a good trade, and I'll go for a 10% trade. You'll just see plus 10 one day. Plus 10, plus 20.
Take me with you, bro. I have to pass the verification.
CJ, what have you done? Look, GU is staying above. I don't know about you. We're having these weird rejections.
Wow, okay, JP1.
No, cat JPY is good. It's good actually. In long term, if you do some back testing on cat JPY, it's a very good pair.
It's a slow pair, right? Actually.
Yeah, it's a bit slow, but it moves really good. CAD JPY and USD CAD are both very good pairs to trade. Usually they do some stupid moves, but most of the time they do good. I've seen
Right at the
my trades on USD CAD. Most of the time they're awesome.
Yeah, USD CAD is really great. Like since you showed us a few trades of USD CAD, I feel very comfortable with it.
Just sometimes it's in a bad place that you don't want to take it. Yeah, GU, I don't know, 5 pips breakout.
Yeah, I don't feel comfy with you.
Only 5 pips. It doesn't look very good. I mean, we got close above, but we already had like 2 rejections from before. Doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel right now. You know, I can still continue, but no, we've gotta wait. I mean, if it stays around here for a bit, we might have a chance on the 4 hour. Even though I don't like all these big wicks getting rejected here. Because what if this is another zone here? Because it looks like it. 2 rejections already, and we had rejections from before. Even though we know which is the major zone here. This is the major zone. And that was only a small consolidation. I don't know. We have to wait. Oh, look at CAD JPY. How good this close is. And now we should come all the way down here.
I remember the time when I was saying that if a candle has no wick, it's not a good sign. But you said no, it's actually pretty good because it's a lot of momentum. And I
Yeah.
was like, is it? And I just checked all the trades that we took, and every time we had those kind of closes, it was very nice.
Yeah, true. I don't know why, because a lot of other people also said the same. If
Yeah,
it doesn't have
actually,
a bottom wick or top wick, it's a bad sign. I don't know why. That just so shows strong momentum for more
Wixstone guy
continuation.
also says that.
Maybe it's a bad sign on lower time frames,
No, but
but on a
like
higher time frames, different. Yeah.
as far as I have studied on baby whips and everywhere else, they say that if it doesn't have a top wig, like it's good momentum, a sign of a good momentum. I mean,
And I haven't read anything about it. I just know from experience, and I know every time we've had a breakout, and the breakout candle doesn't have a top wick or bottom wick, usually there's very good momentum, and 90% of the time it's gonna make a top wick on the next candle after it makes a retest, which means more continuation. But I don't know, maybe it's different on long time frames. EA, very nice. EA, very nice. Turned bearish, filled the range. Try one more time, KGPY, or not? No, no, not yet. Linda, have a nice day. See you. Have a nice day. There's nothing moving, nothing moving. It's too slow. Gold is gonna make a retest on the daily very soon. This can be epic for those who trade gold, since he asks for a trade all the time. Here's this. Wait for retest here.
Wow, EA, whoa.
No, don't tell me melt to the downside. Veto. I thought this went all the way down here.
Bro, I'm watching 1 minute. Joking.
Can you help? Look, I got nothing about EU now here. It's doing nothing. It's doing nothing right now. Nothing's happening on EU. It's some small rejections there, but nothing official. GU, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when we take a trade with you? The more you look at GU, the more you want to take a trade on it. But it's too risky. You know, thing is also the daily. Daily is crazy here. Yesterday came all the way below. I really thought that we're melting all the way to the downside after we pushed below. But we had another support here. A whole pullback like this, I'm afraid we can have a rejection. And the worst thing is that this level becomes weaker after if it doesn't respect like this. Like first time fake out, if it starts to make another fake out and doesn't respect the zones, I don't know if we can trust it. Even though the 4 are still good. Your cat.
EA is respecting our deal, our free deal.
What?
EA is respecting our contract.
Oh, the contract, yes.
Free
Yeah, I
deal.
closed almost everything, man.
$0.
I secured a lot because of the daily. I don't want it to flip back.
Yeah, I also closed at like 11, 12 pips. Didn't take full profits, like
Yeah.
closed early.
Yeah, you had a early entry, right?
It was a bad entry, but still got like 0.9%. So closed it.
Yeah, that's how much did you risk then?
I risked 1.5.
Oh, okay, I see.
Your cat take Bison 360. Won't take buys because of the on the daily. I think it's a bit risky while price coming like this. Looks like a rejection. Cat JPY, Cat JPY cheated on us. Cat JPY cheated on us. I just made a move that was not needed at all. I'm about to go blind.
Chad, if it closes like this on 4 hour, actually some construction work is going on. That's why those noises might be coming. So I'm saying that if the 4 hour closes like this, and then will you be taking that retest on CAT GPY?
I don't like now. I
Like
don't
if
like
you
it
shift
now.
4 hour, you can.
Yeah, I saw the 4 hour. I mean, there's a small range to fill here, but had a lot of rejections here before. I wanted to catch the move to this point, like this one here. Go for a wick fill after make a small more push, but unfortunately it didn't happen for me. So I don't know. I don't like the 4 hour. I don't like that it did the move now. And taking it on the 4 hour, I'm not very sure.
Yeah, but why did you close early? Like sometimes it like crosses the high or low of that 1 hour candle and then again comes to profits. Like it has done that like various times in the past.
Yeah, I just said before that it had a weak breakout, and going above the previous candle made the uncomfortable weak breakout. So there was some signs that might happen a fake out here. So I cut losses short here just because of
In
that
past,
weak breakout. And daily was not very clear, so
most of the time it has like hit my stop loss here and went in my direction. So
yeah. But first of all, I entered with a small risk, like I said in the chat, because
yeah,
of the weak breakout. Then price pushing above the zone, price pushing above this previous candle, all these things, and I said, okay, I better close because I'm not very sure. If I'm not very sure, then no need to hold. No need to hold. Your trades are like 80% buys and few sells. Would you say you're more confident buys than it? No, it doesn't have to do anything with the strategy. Just I don't know. Uh, all traders prefer buys or sells more. One of them. I don't know. It's natural. I'm just more in buys most of the time. I don't know why. I mean, we get sells too, but uh, I mean buys most of the time. See, buys, sells, buys. A sell comes late on. After every 4 or 5 trades, a sell comes. Okay, buys, sells. Another buy, another buy. Sells. Okay, got a few sells here. Then we come back with buys. Another buy, another sell, another sell. Okay, buys, 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 buys. A fake out setup. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm more of a buy guy. I like to buy things, not to sell. I hate selling things. Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes I gotta mute the mic. Sometimes. Euro NZD. Euro NZD, Euro NZD. Yeah, this week has been very quiet. Some slow moves, like EJ took us whole day 2 days ago. Yesterday we we didn't have anything. Like I only took ADJPY, right? Yeah. ADJPY was the trade, and that was on the agent session. Then before that, nothing. It's nothing. All quiet week, slow week. I mean, we'll see. Maybe this is how it's gonna be. December, you don't know. We're having some good trades. It's just that we're missing some. CJ is melting. No way, CJ. No way.
Yet, do you have a laptop on which you trade? Like I went to check out some laptops last week at Apple, but I'm confused between iPad Pro or that MacBook Air. What would you suggest?
I don't know, man. I have a laptop. I have an iPad. I have a PC, but You know, I like iPad very much. I like it. I like it a lot because
Because
it's just easy to take it with you everywhere. It's easy to take it, and you know it's fast. It's everything you need. You got there. If you don't need it for anything else, I mean, an iPad would be nice.
you have that large screen one, iPad Pro, or that small one.
This is the iPad here.
Okay.
It's very nice. It's not the new one. I bought this 2019, I think.
Mm.
It was new back then,
They
but
now
it is very nice. It is very
they
nice.
now launched that 13 14-inch iPad. Like its screen is same as the MacBook Air. So I'm confused between that or MacBook Air because I want something portable.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Don't ask me because I like everything. I want to buy a MacBook also. I just for webinars and all this, it's the quality is awesome. Like on iPad, the quality is perfect. It's
Yeah.
just perfect.
So while you are driving or going, are you like while you are driving or going somewhere, so you are able to trade on that iPad, like.
Yeah, of
Uh,
course. I just connect it with Wi-Fi with my phone and it's done. I had it on my car now too. I can connect my phone with the screen on the car.
Nice.
I can stop and trade on it. It's touch screen also. It's perfect. I don't know. It's based on your needs, what you want to choose. I really like to buy an Apple, a MacBook now, because I had a Lenovo. I didn't really like it. I didn't really like it, even
Um,
though the performances were very nice, but I didn't like it. And I want to try a MacBook.
yeah, but there is an issue of that MT4 on
Oh no,
Apple
no.
UI.
You can take it. You can trade from web maybe. C Trader, does C Trader work for Apple?
So you are shifting over C Trader totally now.
Uh, it's just a matter of time until I switch everything to C Trader.
Like I have doubts on C Trader because like I have never used it, but I don't think like is it reliable or because MT4 is like traditional one, so I should start using C Trader. But is C Trader reliable according to you? Like those, are you able to place trades and execution is fast or what?
Everything is fast, bro. Everything is fast. It's perfect. It's perfect. I'm telling you. It's way better to manage your trades. Even on the phone, it has all the options. It's perfect. Tells you the risk, the pips, everything. The execution is fast. The execution doesn't matter about C-Trade. It matters to the broker that you are. So I see markets. The execution is perfect. It is very fast, and it's just getting better. Like they update it every here and then. Which one is better in terms of spreads and overall? IC markets or Pepperstone? I don't know. I don't know actually. They're both good. It's not a very big difference from IC markets and Pepperstone because I use them both, and they're both good. Both good. Man, we're not having anything. What is happening? We're not having anything. How to change the language on CTrader? Just on the top left, you have the sound icon. After that is the language one. Okay, and that's when you change the language. You have the sound icon there. After it is the language one. That is where language option is. You can change. I don't know why it's on Chinese. I don't know. Aussie dollar is coming again. I don't know if I trust this or not. I mean, I don't see anything on the left. It's too far. Maybe we should try some or not. ADJPY. No, AD is dollar. Sorry. Man, there's nothing on the left. 1 hour is doing a retest. Should we take this or not? I mean, it looks good, not bad. I'm gonna try it. Taking a US Aussie dollar buy here. I'm gonna try it. I don't see anything bad here. I don't. Look, 1 hour is a clear breakout. Didn't make a retest before. It's making a retest now. We can expect to come a little lower, but I'm showing here because we might reject from here. What else? What else? The 4 is not a breakout yet, but I still think we're gonna have some continuation. Daily, there's nothing on the left. It's clear range. That's why I think it should be good. Oh, 2018. Thank you. But it's too far. I think it shouldn't be a problem from 2018 a zone. I mean, it doesn't make sense. How big is a stop loss? A stop loss we're gonna see. I think I'll use a 10 pip stop loss around here. But I think it has to come a little lower here. Even though I entered, but if it comes lower, I enter another one. I entered another one. I think we should have like at least a 10 pip pullback and maybe continue more to the upside. Fill this range. It might take some time maybe, but you know, we had a few rejections, not a lot of rejections. The fact that everything's clear on the left. Do you have any news coming up? Any news? I think we're good right now. At least for now we're good. Let's see, might come a little lower here. According to your strategy, I thought a retest has to be one candle. Just asking to be sure. According to your question, I don't understand what you mean, one candle. I don't understand. AUD JPY is coming. Lower. You can enter. I took KJPY, it didn't close. You're happy? Very nice. Congrats. I think he means confirmation candle. No, I still don't understand what he meant. We need two candles made the retest. I don't see a retest here. I think this is the first. I don't see a retest here. This is the first retest from what I see here, because we had this candle. There was no retest. This is not a retest. There's no retest. Now, price coming for a retest. So I'm expecting some continuation here. Let's see what happens. We have another 30 minutes. This is gonna be a fake out day or not. We'll see. CAD JPY is good, but we took a loss there. We closed early. Now taking Aussie dollar. Let's see how it goes. It's coming a little lower. Let's see. I'm using a 10 pips stop loss. I think there's no need for more, because if it comes below this support, then probably is going to end up in a fake out. So stop loss 10 pips below support. And we'll see how it goes. I don't understand any of you guys. He says it supposed to be retested with the first very red candle. It was supposed to be a retest before, but didn't. If you heard me before, I said that price not always gonna make a retest. It might come after 2-3 candles also. Not every time comes right away, so it takes time. If you want to wait for candles close, let's see. You can wait for candles to close, but I don't. I take it while it's making the retest. Let's go Aussie dollar, do something. If this is going to be a fake out, then we're going to need to close below. If we close below, we even wait for a retest to close at break even, or we reject. Or if we close below, we can cut losses short or do something like that. It's all up to us. But one thing I know, that if it goes below this, game over. We're going all the way down. Downtown. GBPUSD, can I have the thoughts? GBPUSD is currently at this support. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's taking some time. It's a very strong consolidation box, so we'll see what happens on GU. It was a weak breakout, so we didn't take it. Look, guys, a win or a loss, we see at what market does, right? So most of the time, when we have a breakout of a zone, we're gonna have a retest, and then after that, we can have some continuation. Well, that's what market does, right? So this is just another time where price is doing a breakout, it's making a retest, and we expect continuation. It doesn't mean that 100% every time it's going to do the same thing. You can expect fakeouts here and there, but we can't start a trade with thinking that it's going to be fakeout straight away, right? And I don't see a reason. If there's going to be a reason, we're going to find out. But we don't have anything going left. It's clear. And we had a zone created here, a few rejections before breaking. Then we had even a better breakout here because this one was weak. Then now it's coming for a retest. We'll see if it's going to reject or not. We are able to take a loss. It's not only wins and wins and wins, because we would be multi-trillionaires, billionaires. You gotta be a retest here and there. This or the next candle, we'll wait for rejection. If we start to have rejections, it's a good thing after. It's a good thing.
I said.
Just use good risk and you'll be good. Hey Beitu, welcome back.
Hey, I think that's the area where it can reject it, because the daily is a doji right now, and that's also kind of like the middle of the whole move of today, and also the zone, right? So it's multiple confluences.
Yes, I don't see any reason why it should drop unless something fundamentally comes. But technically, I see this making some continuation before, and we don't have anything on left. It's clear. It's clear we broke this resistance. Now all we gotta do is push up, continue. Continue. If it respects the zone, it closes above next candle, we can have some continuation. If not, if we get a close below back in the range, then we see our options. Or if price comes away to our stop loss even before candle closes, that's a different case. So we have different options in different scenarios. All we gotta do is wait patiently and see what happens. If it rejects, you don't go for sells. How do you mean if it rejects? No, I don't trade based on rejections, because a rejection doesn't mean price is gonna go to downside just because it's rejecting from the upside. You gotta wait for confirmation, and a confirmation is a breakout. And right now we have the breakout as a confirmation, a retest happening. If you are not comfortable taking the retest as it is right now, you can wait for candles to close. So there are plenty of ways to trade this. Euro AUD bias after double bottom of 15 minutes? No idea. I don't trade lower than 1 hour, and I don't trade double bottoms. Oh, the magnet is only for sells. We don't have a magnet for buys. Couldn't find one. Couldn't find one. All we gotta do on USD, on Aussie dollar here, is stay above this. If we push below this, it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. Can you short recap on your analysis? That's what I did on the last 10 minutes. Let's see. We're getting a deeper retest, not a good sign, not a good sign. But waiting to see what happens. There's still time, not 20 minutes. We should stay above. If we push below this, fake out is coming. A fake out is coming. Aussie dollar is pushing. It's pushing down, downtown. Still gonna wait. Stop loss is at 0.74070. 0.70. See, maybe we check from here. If we manage to close above, that would be good. What do you trade? What is that question? What do I trade? I trade FOREX. What made you, Phil? You doing this question away? Why did I take this? We had a breakout, we had a retest, but it's coming deeper. Maybe it's gonna be a fake out. Who knows? We'll take a loss. Why not? We can take a loss. It happens. No way. Stop loss is at 70. 0.70. 0.70. Yeah. Am I using enough of a stop loss? Thing is, I want to use a bigger stop loss because who knows, on the fake out we might not get a pullback. We might push straight to the downside and get even a bigger stop loss. That's why I'm not using a 20 pip stop loss here. That is why. Looks like we're gonna take a loss, but it's not official yet. It's not official yet. We're waiting for it to be official. No way, Ozzy, no way. Ozzy dollar. Looks like it's gonna be a fake out. We have another 15 minutes. I mean, everything can happen, but not a good sign that we have this deep pullback. Not a very good sign. But we'll wait to see what happens. And I risked more than 1% in this trade. After this, if this results in a fake out, I'm gonna have to wait a lot to get a very good entry, very good setup. Waiting. Who knows? Maybe we close above and we continue up. Tell us about your position side. Well, I got 100 lot here. No big deal. Only 100. Let's see. Yeah, a 4 hour doesn't make any sense, you know? It doesn't make any sense, the 4 hour. We might still close above. Let's just wait, we have a few minutes left.
Sad, bro. How would you see or analyze USD CAD? What do you
USD
think
CAD.
about it? Yes.
Let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Well, it has created a lot of zones right now. So see, we have a zone here created. We have a lot of rejections here too, and we have this zone too. Yesterday, it didn't really respect this zone, like only one candle. Then went all the way down. But right now, it's pretty bearish.
Yeah, because yesterday we took it. I think it was yesterday when we took a trade on this one, and we took it right there where you said it.
Yeah, here probably.
Here we took it here. I think. No, I wanted to take it here, but I missed it, and
Yeah,
then we
you
took it
wanted this,
exactly.
but didn't
Yes.
make a pullback enough or
Yeah, and
something
then
like
we
that.
took the second one, and now I'm thinking if we can give it the next chance today on this area where we wanted to take it at the first time.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're thinking something like this?
Yes,
It
exactly.
breaks above?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. I don't want to mess with USD CAD right now because it doesn't seem good to me.
When would you consider to take any trade when it breaks the second line up there?
Second line, maybe. Maybe after having a rejection or two, then a breakout, just to confirm that we have a zone there.
Yeah.
We'll see. AUD CAD got rejected. Good. Let's see how it's gonna close. We have another 10 minutes left. Maybe we're gonna reject, close above 1 hour starts to push, and some continuation. But it's good that we had a rejection because we are closer now to close above. We're not too far. We went pretty bad to the downside, but we're getting rejection. Let's see if we close above. That would be massive.
Yeah, my run got
Massivo.
out.
Nice, nice. Let's go Aussie dollar. Let's go. I'm not expecting a big push now in this candle because it already came too low. But I'm expecting to close above. That's what I'm expecting. And I'm expecting to move on the next candle. Uh, could you check any sales EMIs? Yes, sure. NZD US dollar. Where's NZD?
Looks very good to the downside for me.
NZD US dollar. There's two zones right now on NZD US dollar. I don't know what to say. It's in between, so probably you need to clear this zone here. Maybe a break below here and the retest continue down. I would say that. AUD US dollar is back in business. Had 3 positions, I closed one
Bro, if
to
GU
reduce
breaks
it.
above,
If GU breaks above,
like in this 10 minutes, so it will be good.
Whoa,
I don't know. NZD, Euro NZD looks good. Unless we have a zone, yeah.
I was on 15-minute on GU, I didn't see that.
Actually, it looks good. It does look good. I mean, there's nothing going left all the way to the next zone. That's a good range to fill. Only if we have a good breakout, it would be very nice. We'll see how it closes. Nice rejection. Who would have thought? What a rejection.
Very nice, bro.
My entry looks so bad now after this whole pullback to the downside. Yeah, it looks so stupid. Order block. What is with these order blocks? What are those? What are those?
What are those?
They called sandals.
They call them sandals.
Let's see. Next candle might be the one to push up. We're waiting for the news. How come you didn't stop the trade we took on EJ last time? It was ranging quite long near the stops. On EJ, yeah, I did stop the trade actually.
Fortunately,
I don't know if you saw it, but after I closed it, then it moved. Bad luck for me it was that day. Because I held it for 4 hours. On the on the fourth candle, it went all the way up. It just stopped me like 2-3 pips because I moved my stop just below the wicks. Is it safe to get in Aussie dollar right now? I don't know. It's your choice.
People don't trust the setups until the rejection comes.
Yeah, it's
Then
I don't know. Maybe they're afraid because not enough experience in
strategy, right?
that strategy. Yeah, so they can have doubts, of course. Tune master. Sorry, are you in my trade? What does that mean? What is your trade? Also, this is you called this trade. I don't know, bro. I'm sorry. Let's see. Let's search your text where you sent it, and I'll take
Maybe
a look.
maybe he sent the whole link, then you can't really see it, or?
No.
Okay.
Tune master. Sorry. If this goes well, you take the credit. If it goes back, I take the blame.
That's not fair though.
No, why not? Let's go Aussie dollar. Next candle flying to the upside. That's what we should do.
GU looks so good on 4 hour, in my opinion.
Nice.
Good morning, ladies.
Ooh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Carlos, ¿cómo estás, amigo?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, bien. Sometimes we joke with my wife. We say we know Spanish and we know one word. Estoy embarazada.
Estoy embarazada.
I saw
She is.
I saw a video yesterday and it says what language you switch when you are angry. And one guy was American, I think, and he said Spanish, and he said, "Oh God, ¿dónde está biblioteca?" It was funny. He didn't even say anything bad.
Yeah. It's like, where's the library?
Yeah, like, what is that? Have you ever traded USD ZAR? Of course, I was the
Every
king.
day.
I was the
Yeah,
king
every
of
day.
it. But not anymore. Not anymore.
Beitu passed his FTMO challenge, just
No.
trading USDSR.
If I would not get stopped out on EJ last days.
But you got stopped because you moved your stop, right?
Yeah, unfortunately, bro.
So you
What's
guys
going
are
on
an
here?
Aussie.
Yeah, we're in Aussie, and
I took Cat
I
J,
wanna wait.
CJ.
Oh,
Did you
still in it?
hold it?
Yeah, I hold it. I didn't got stopped.
Carlos. Congrats.
Closed it, man. Congrats to you for the call.
But I took a loss.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you gotta
so-
trust in the system, Siad.
Of
I know you're new,
course.
but you have to trust the system.
What would you advise me to do in these cases?
Just just forget about it. Take another trade.
Perfect. That's what I
This is a
did.
Marathon, man.
I think over trading is very good to make it back.
That's what I did. I took another trade now. I forgot about CJ at all. And I closed everything on Aussie dollar because I have a bad entry. And next candle might come lower and I might try one more time.
Yeah, the 4 hour, right?
Yeah.
So what
I
do you,
closed it because my entry was very bad and the way it pulled back, it came all the way down. That now next candle might come lower here once again. You know, you've seen it before maybe. I closed uh, I closed here, so we'll see.
Sal, what do you think about GU 4 hour? Did you already speak about it?
GU 4 hour.
Yes.
Yeah, GU 4
Week
hour.
close, no?
It's a weak close.
Oh no. Oh no.
And
Oh
it
no.
closed 95 is the level, and it closed at
No, no, no,
3401.
no.
You know, I said something before that price has created resistance here, and that's what's making me uncomfortable.
Mm.
Hmm. But I really want to take any trades. That's
Bro, I think USD CAD will be good. Like it can reject 10 15 pips from that 1 hour level, and 4 hour also closed good.
USD CAD, no, USD CAD's not good right now.
Yeah, see the level. Yeah,
it's
exactly.
just
It's
close at
this level.
resistance, in my opinion. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, that's the thing here. Aussie dollar, see how it's coming now? That might come one more time here. And I'm thinking of taking again now since it's on the 4 hour. Since it's in a 4 hour, 4 hour should flip bullish now. But needs to come a little lower. And you can use the same stop loss again. 4 hour looks very good to go bullish.
Yeah, and feel that wick.
Yeah.
Beto, you took anything today?
I took EA with the group.
Oh yeah, I saw it on the chat.
Yeah, I took
That
EA.
was good, right?
Yeah, I took 30 pips on it on my best position.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Also, you made something today, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm again at 2.5%, you know. I lost on EJ and yesterday, and today I made it back. So I'm pretty happy about that. In 7 days, 1 month is over, and yeah, my goal is until next Friday to have like 4%, you know, making 1.5% in 5 trading days. That would be great for me.
How much you risking per trade?
0.5 to 1%.
Oh. But EJ was your fault.
Yeah, EJ was my fault. I didn't feel comfortable, to be honest.
Yeah, me neither. I got out break even, so
Yeah, I didn't feel
I
comfy.
don't blame you.
Yeah, it looked very good. Like it was always above the area, you know.
Yeah, I love the zone. Yeah.
Then it did a kind of like how a
Fake
resist.
out. It went below the support.
Yeah,
The
and
support it was making, and then it pushed higher.
yeah, and it had also resistance created on the one or
Yeah,
like all the
yeah,
wicks like three
yeah,
hours or something.
yeah.
And then I didn't feel comfy, moved to stop, and it took me out. Bam, bye bye.
And then it flew.
Yeah, unfortunately, man. I mean, happy for Aga, of course, and Nick, but unfortunately for me, because it stopped me out before.
I'm in again, guys. Yes, I'm in again. Aga, yeah, the 4 hour is not a very good breakout, but I think we're gonna have a move at least like 10 pips. In this case, it's not very strong, like 5 pips, but it's also dollar, so you can expect something from it. You can expect a weak breakout, but I think it makes sense for have some continuation here. Even a small continuation like 10 pips can still be good. Even though 10 pips here massive, needs to come all the way up here. No, I don't like to go in for these kind of trades that require such a big move in this kind of place. I don't know. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait for this to turn bullish and have a small push to the upside. Maybe I'm gonna close after. I want to wait for a clean setup, a setup with a bigger zone, not a small one like this. Like your NZD is rejecting a lot. We might get a chance later on. I'll look for Aussie dollar to take like a few 4 pips and close everything. Wait for better setup, because I think that we're just gonna flip bullish on the 4 hour. After that, I don't know. Even though we have clear traffic on the left, it just maybe the zone is not very strong. Maybe the zone is not very strong. So let's see. Flip bullish. I'm gonna close look for a better setup. And also time is running. Time is running out. Do you pay commission? No, I do not pay commission. It turned bullish. Turn bullish. You gotta push a little more. We have to look for a better setup later on. Would you consider starting trade indices or once the new year starts? We'll see. Who knows? We might do something new. I don't think so, but I mean, everything can happen, you know. Is EJ daily a retest or is too weak off a zone on lower time frames? Aussie dollar is pushing. Nice. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with Aussie dollar. I'm gonna wait for something else. I think it's gonna continue still more, but I don't want to take that risk. I don't know. I'm not comfortable today with it. EA can be nice if it breaks above. So this could be a next trade. This could be a nice trade on the next hour, maybe if it breaks. And we'll see. EJ, a daily retest. Let's see.
Could be.
Yeah, it could be. I mean, we did close above the daily, but switch to 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, we could have some continuation here on the 1 hour. No, I don't feel very comfortable.
You know what I would like to see set on EJ?
Yeah?
If the 1 hour is closing above this level, to have at least a little confirmation, you know?
Yeah, I don't know, because we have rejections also at this here. See these rejections?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Skip it for today. We need to wait for a better setup here. You know, EA can be very good, because what happened here, we had rejections, we had a breakout, retest, it got rejected. Now it came back up again because we have a daily zone, right? Now if we manage to close above, means daily supporting us because it's rejecting. 1 hour has a breakout and we can have some nice continuation. So we'll wait for this. Also, your NZD has clear traffic on the left if we break above. Clear traffic on the left. If we break above, we can continue all the way to the upside. So we'll see. Look at left. All the way up here, there's no zone. That can be a nice chance for us. Let's see how many pips we have here. 25, good. 10 pips breakout or retest, and another 25 pip range to fill after the retest.
Okay, JPY dying.
Don't tell me about it. Straight to the next zone. My god, this was so good. Yeah, maybe I should have risked more, but
Very nice trades yet.
thank you very much.
Man, I'm thinking about GJ. If we have a
Sells? Oh, buys.
bias,
Buys.
if we can close
Well, we'll
You know
see,
what?
we'll see.
I took the daily fake out and it moved 20 pips. I was sleeping and I just got out of break even.
daily fake out.
Yeah, if you go, I saw like a fake out over here. Yeah, that one.
Oh,
Yeah, this one.
See, it closed above this one closed below. So I took an entry over here and it gave 20 pips, but then it went back to break even.
yeah. I'm looking for other setups too, but somehow I don't know. Maybe GU if it breaks again to the upside.
GU.
GU, the setup you said was good. The problem was that we had a weak close, but
Yeah, the setup said that there is another resistance.
yeah,
if
another
we-
buff. Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
if we can close the buff here.
The thing is that I think we're gonna go right to the next resistance,
Yeah, that's the thing.
Probably.
to this
But
one. Yeah.
you know what would be nice as well? If we play around that resistance until like New York Open, and then
Breaks, retest. And
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, if it breaks this too, it can be good, but we need a good break, not these kind of breakouts. Look at these ugly wicks here. These ugly candles.
Yeah, that's because there's
small.
no volume right now.
Yeah. Now the volume is coming. See this big candle. Would have like this candle. That would be a good breakout. Now if we go straight next zone, it's not valid anymore. So we need to wait for this one.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We have plenty of time during the day. Yeah, I think
Yes,
I'm gonna
but-
go now.
We didn't have news right now, Aga.
Yeah, I don't see any news.
I don't see any pound news today.
I think
Oh, this one, I think there was something. Or not.
that was
I don't know.
PMI at 10:30, maybe that one.
Because I think today we only had medium news. Medium impact news. Or this low. Low impact. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Yeah, I will only take a trade with a great setup. I'm done actually for today. If there is a great setup that I can't stand, I'll take it. But that would be something like EA when it goes back in the range again.
Yeah.
Yes.
For now, guys, see you. I'll keep in touch.
Take care,
Thank you
Sia.
very much, Zad.
Keep in touch.
Take care, bro.
See you. We'll talk on the group if we see any setup during the day.
Yes.
For now, have a nice day. See you. We'll let you know once I see a setup, of course. Can't wait to take a good trade. Like that AJ trade that it was. Okay, see you for now. Have a nice day, you too. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you. Have a nice day. And see you tomorrow. Check your email. Okay, I'll check my email. No worries. See you.